This Grama Panchayat Sarpanch and ward members in the block or a cluster among the members. The chairperson play vital role in presiding over the meetings, coordinating the functioning of the Panchayat Samiti. Coordinating functioning of the Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat send a ward member to the Panchayat Samiti. The number of representatives determined by the population. Representatives within the respective blocks. Within the respective blocks. They formulate and execute plans for areas such as infrastructure. Each Gram Panchayat sends ward member to Panchayat Samiti. Panchayat Samiti are responsible for planning, implementing. They formulate the execute plans for areas such as the infrastructure, education, healthcare, agriculture. Panchayat Samiti receive fund from the various sources, including state government, central government, for local development. They allocate the utilize these funds for different projects and initiatives. Panchayat Samiti oversee the function of various programs and schemes implemented at the grassroots level. Panchayat Samiti play a role in delivery of essential service to the community, including healthcare, education, sanitation. These ensures that government. Panchayat Samiti conducted public hearings to address the grievances concern of the local populations. They serve as platform for citizens to voice their issue. Citizens to voice their issue and seek for help. Panchayat Samiti Odisha are indeed important players of the countries. They function as intermediaries between state government and the Rashtra Gram Panchayat, ensuring the development plans are effectively implemented at the locals. Ensure that development plans are effectively implemented at the local level by managing resources, delivering services, engaging in development planning. Panchayat Samiti contributes significantly to the Sasya. Panchayat Samiti contributes significant successful implementation of the plans. Local development initiatives. Civil service aspirants should have a deep understanding of the roles of they are effective transparency is accountability carrying out the functions essential for the successful and representations. Actually, advocacy and representations interest on the concept of various sections of society, such as the farmers, laborers, unions, pressure groups, unions, environmentalists. They serve as channel for the citizen to voice their grievances. They serve as the channels for citizen. Actually, these groups have the capacity of influence policy making by the providing expert knowledge, research, data, policy influence କରନ୍ତି. They can lobby for against specific policies. They can lobby କରନ୍ତି. They can lobby for against specific policies leading to changes in legislation. Pressure group. Specific policies leading to changes in legislation and government decisions. Pressure groups present the interest and concern of various sections of society. The interest of concern of various section of society interests such as the farmers, labor unions, environment list. They serve as channel for citizens to voice their grievances. Channel for citizens to voice their grievances and concerns to the government. Pressure group often support political candidates who align with their interests and goals. They can mobilize resources such as funding and volunteers to back preferred candidates. Actually, pressure group often support political candidates who align with their interests. Also, they can mobilize resources such as funding and volunteers to back preferred candidates during elections. To back preferred candidates during elections, fundings and volunteers. These groups are serve as a check on the government power, check and balance of the government power. They can challenge policies or actions. They can challenge policies and action that they deem detrimental to their cause of or to the public. Influence on policy priorities. Some argue that powerful pressure groups can divert attention from the broader public interest, so policy priorities towards specific group interest. Specific group interest. They encourage civic engagement and participation in the democratic process. Civics engagement and participation in democratic process.